Welcome to this tutorial on how to receive money using Venmo transfer. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money easily. To receive money on Venmo, you need to have a Venmo account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free using the Venmo website or mobile app. First, you need to download the Venmo app and create an account if you haven't already. Once you have an account, you can add a funding source such as a bank account, debit card, or credit card. This will allow you to receive money directly into your bank account. To receive money on Venmo, the sender needs to have your Venmo username or the phone number or email associated with your Venmo account. They can then enter the amount they want to send and add a note to the payment if they want to. When someone sends you money on Venmo, you will receive a notification on your phone. You can then go to the Venmo app and see the payment in your transactions. The money will be available in your Venmo balance and you can transfer it to your bank account. To transfer the money to your bank account, go to the Venmo app and tap on the Transactions tab. Find the payment you want to transfer and tap on it. Then tap on the transfer button and select the bank account you want to transfer the money to. The transfer usually takes a few days to complete, but you can also use the instant transfer option for a small fee. It is also important to note that Venmo has a weekly spending limit and a weekly transfer limit. The weekly spending limit is the maximum amount you can spend using Venmo, and the weekly transfer limit is the maximum amount you can transfer to your bank account. In conclusion, receiving money on Venmo is a straightforward process. You need to have a Venmo account and a funding source such as a bank account. The sender needs to have your Venmo username or phone number or email, and they can send you money using the Venmo app. You can then transfer the money to your bank account using the Venmo app. Remember to always check your transactions and transfers to ensure that everything is correct and to avoid any potential issues.